Welcome back to Above the Great Cool Blogger. Today, it is Easter Monday and there's no class. So, today's video will be about slime. Let's be kids, you know? Kids love it, but some adults love it too. They make slime videos on YouTube.
Wait.
So, I just got home because I got this from London Drugs. It was $7.99.
What?
$17.99.
What's that?
It's slime powder. All you have to do is add water. So this thing, it says just add water. Slime blaster, yes. And the 30
pieces of
30 pieces of the thing, and then it's 10 liters of slime or water. And in 5 minutes.
1, 2, 3.
So here it says the ages for this thing is 5 and 5 above. So I'm 9, and so I'm allowed to do this. You need parent supervision, and also if you're younger, you could choke. You could choke, maybe. I'm not sure.
And it's maybe it's
child
poisonous,
hazard.
so they're not allowed to play with it by themselves.
The brand is Simba.
Okay, let's try to make it down.
So let's do this, boy. And open it up.
What are you going to use?
Millions.
What are these? Show them what are these.
So first, I already told you we have to put water. What do we do with the water?
Water
put it, and a bowl to mix it. So
empty
basically, you're gonna take.
Let's try. This is an experiment, right? Let's
you're gonna take, I'm gonna take a full, and water, and then just pour it in. 1 sack.
Sachet.
Yeah, I need to.
1 more.
So basically, this is a medicine cup. It's 15 ml. We don't have the thingy, so we're using that. I'm gonna take this and just pour it all in. And then I'm gonna mix it. Add in 5 minutes, and then after you leave it for 5 minutes, and then it will become slime. And it's not really turning out well. So maybe let's try one more. I'll try to add 1 more slime sachet. Now we're gonna mix it. Right now. See, now it's turning out well. Oops. But it's stuck here. It's turning. Oh, guys, do you see that? It's glossy. I wonder how this is gonna turn out.
Wait.
So, the experiment is surprisingly turning out well. So, we're gonna put, after 10 sachets, which we've got, we're gonna put 4 more, water stuff. So,
okay, put more water.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Now this.
How many sachets are you going to add? 8 more, okay? Because you already put
7,
2 a while ago. So we will be using 10 sachets of slime powder mix plus 5.
This thing is dying my
15
fingers.
ml of
Wait. It's not really. Yeah, that's what I call putting in powder. Wait, what? This is really turning out well.
How many more? 3 more.
Look at this thing. This thing is so lumpy.
Okay, try to stir.
Okay, now we're gonna stir it now. Wow! Guys, look at this! Oh! thing, bro. Bro, look at this thing. Should we try to add one more? Okay, no.
Wait for 5 minutes.
So now, guys, we're gonna leave this thing for 5 minutes after I'm done mixing, which I'm done right now.
Time is 3:48. It's already 5 minutes.
So, guys, we are going to check on our slime. Look at this thing, boy.
How's it?
Oh my god. This thing is... So guys, I touched the slime, it dyed my hands. Now, hand mix time. Oh. This thing is... Ugh.
Slime now. See?
It's not ready though. It's working, but it's not ready. It's so sticky. Maybe another 5 minutes will make it work. Look at this thing.
So
Look.
is it successful?
Not that successful. But maybe it will be in a few more minutes.
It is. See, it looks slime. See?
Yeah, but
That's slime.
look. This slime is not supposed to be this.
It's because it's too soon. Maybe later on.
Yeah.
So we only use 10 sachet. 1 sachet, get me one. 1 sachet is
I
only 2
Ugh.
grams, right? So we have 30 sachets of slime blasters. Slime blasters.
Maybe you need a gun and it goes pew pew.
Zumba. 30 pieces of that cost $7 dollars in London Drugs. And we only use 10 sachets of
Slime
slime
sacks.
buster and 15 mLs of water. So that's it.
So yeah, bye guys. See you next time on About the Great Good Blogger. Like, subscribe, hit that notification buttons, and comment to this video. And I promise you, I will make another slime video in my YouTube life. So bye guys. See you next time. God bless.